Hi people, this is Courage from Trading with Tan. Today I want to show you the strategy that I've been using to trade this small account here. So as you can see right now, I have this small buy trade which is like 44 cents, right? It's not a big deal, but hopefully this trade is gonna give me a lot of money. Why? And I'm going to show you why, and I'm going to show you what am I using to get this type of trade, and I will show you later in this video possibly how much have we made from this trade right here. So right now it's not a lot of money because I just entered this trade, and I also shared this trade with the members of my trading channel on Telegram. So make sure to check out the link in the description so that you can get this strategy and you can get into this Telegram link. So this strategy here is a trend reversal strategy. So hopefully if I get a winning trade right now, I'm going to get more money from this strategy. But firstly, what I want to show you here is the strategy only. So the strategy here is I want to use one indicator which is called the awesome oscillator, right? So the awesome oscillator is gonna help me to see a divergence. So I'm gonna show you like 2 or 3 examples right here so that you can see if this strategy can work for you. So first of all is the first trade that we have. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to put the awesome oscillator on your charts. So just go to the Bill Williams indicators and then you click on awesome oscillator. Don't change anything here, put it on default, and then you click done, and then we are going to have your awesome oscillator. So the awesome oscillator is going to help us to show us what divergence in the market. So first thing that I saw here is if I look at this market here making a series of lower lows going down here from this point right here. So let me do this. So from this point right here, you can see this market was moving all the way going down right there, right? And then from this point right here, so let's do this. And then from this point right here, you can see we have a lower low here. The market was still showing me that it's still going down right there. So I hope you can see this. You can see the market was still going down on this one right there. But if you look at the awesome oscillator, what do we realize on these two highs right here? So these two highs right here, you can see this one is lower and this one is now above, showing you that the market is now going into a possible uptrend. So if you look at this, you can see when the market is moving up, the awesome oscillator is going to be giving green indication, and then when it's going down, it's going to give you a red indication. So this is called divergence. As you can see, when the market is moving to the downside, creating a lower low from this first low right here. So from this first low right here to this second low right here, you can see the market here is showing you that it's going in the downward direction. But if I go to my awesome oscillators, you can see here the market is now showing you that it's now going into the upside right now. So once I saw this on this trade here, I also confirmed with a trend line break right here. So a trend line break here. Once I saw the market breaking past this trend line right here, then I entered into a buy position, which is possibly going to give you a little money from this here. So if I get into a winning trade here, I'm looking to get like 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio from this point right here. Right, so I want to show you another example here. You can see when this market was in an uptrend from this point to this point, it created a higher high. So from this high here to this next high right here, you can see this is a higher high, but our awesome oscillator was now showing you reverse in momentum. Now the awesome oscillator is now moving to the downside, and then you can see the market was still moving to the upside. Even if you start from this point right here, you can see from this point to this point, the prices were going up at this point because we have a higher high at this point. But also on the awesome oscillator, you already see that the market from here to here, it's now going in a downward direction, and then that's where we get all this reversal that came right here. Right, so if you use this strategy, you can get some very good trades right there. You can see on this example, from this point right here, the market is creating lower lows, it's going down. But if you go to the awesome oscillator, you can see that from this point right here to this point right here, the market is now making a higher high, and then from there we see a big reversal. So hopefully on our trade we are going to get a big trade right there. but you can see this strategy can work for you all the time, most of the time, not 100% of the time, but most of the time. Here you can see the market is moving, creating a higher high, and then the awesome oscillator is showing you that the market have now reversed already, right? So if you get this right, once you see this, you can also confirm with a trend line, or you can say, okay, when the awesome oscillator created a low high here and started getting into red candles right there, as you can see on this point, you want to start selling from this point right there. So you can see this strategy can work for you most of the time. When the market is reversing, the awesome oscillator is the first thing that you might look for. So you can use this strategy on your phone. This is why I showed you this on my phone, and also you can use this strategy on your laptop. It also works, or any other computer that you have, or any other device that you use for your trading. So this strategy is not gonna work all the time, but in this case we are looking forward to get into the winning trade. So we are going to see how this trade works. Hopefully we are going to get a big winner here, because if we catch a reversal in the market, we might get into a big move to the other side. So thank you for watching. Keep watching the videos from this channel, and keep liking these videos, because I haven't published the videos for the last 3 or 4 days, and the only thing that I might need is some motivation. So how do you motivate me? Make sure you click that like button and tell me in the comments if you really enjoyed this video. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.